Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a right/wrong questions in Microsoft Forms. This is a fantastic way to create simple quizzes for students, employees, or anyone you need to test with straightforward true or false style questions. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access Microsoft Forms. This will bring you to the main dashboard where you can create and manage all your forms and quizzes. Now, look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll find several options for creating new content. Click on New Quiz to get started. This action opens up a blank quiz template where you can begin building your questions. You'll notice it says Untitled Quiz at the top. Click on that field and enter a quiz title that makes sense for your purpose. For example, you could type something like Testing Only or whatever title suits your needs. Next, you'll want to add your first question. Click on Quick Start With and from the options that appear, select Choice. This is the question type that works perfectly for right or wrong scenarios, since it allows you to provide multiple answer options for respondents to choose from. Now it's time to create your actual question. Click on the question field and type in your question. For example, you might ask something like, "Is the sky blue?" This is where you clearly state what you're asking your quiz takers to answer. After entering your question, you'll see option fields below it. In option 1, type yes, and in option 2, type no. These two options give your respondents the ability to choose between right and wrong answers. Make sure to mark the correct answer by clicking the checkbox or toggle next to the right option so Microsoft Forms knows which answer is correct when grading. If you want to add more questions to your quiz, simply click Add New Question. This creates another question block where you can repeat the same process. Type your new question, add your yes and no options, and mark the correct answer. You can continue adding as many questions as you need for your quiz. Once you've finished adding all your questions, it's time to see how everything looks from the respondent's perspective. Click the preview button at the top of the screen. This opens a preview window that shows exactly what your quiz takers will see when they access your form. You can click through the questions and test the functionality to make sure everything works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created a right/wrong quiz in Microsoft Forms that's ready to share with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.